Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here we're going to balance the following redox reaction in acidic solution using the half reaction method. Remember that whenever we have an acidic solution, after we have balanced all of the other elements, the oxygens are going to get balanced with water molecules and hydrogens are going to get balanced with protons. So in this case, the half reactions that we're going to consider are going to be for copper as a solid going into copper 2 plus 2 electrons, and for HNO3 going into NO as a gas. In this case, I'm going to omit the state of matter just to simplify our writing, and we can add them up to our final balance equation. So the first step is going to be to identify the oxidation state of each of the nitrogens in this scenario. So over here, we're going to have the nitrogen corresponds to a oxidation of 5 plus, and in NO it is going to correspond to an oxidation of 2 plus. So we're going from 5 plus to 2 plus. Now, nitrogens are balanced on both sides of the reaction. We need to balance the extra oxygens. We have 3 here and 1 here. So we need to add up waters to account for that. In this case, it would be 2 water molecules. We also need to balance the hydrogen atoms. In this case, we have 2 hydrogen atoms on this side. So in this case, we need to balance the 4 hydrogens with the extra hydrogen over here with 3 protons. Finally, let's verify that the charge is going to remain neutral. If we added 3 protons, then we need to add 3 electrons to our reaction. And this makes sense since we're going from 5 plus to 2 plus. So that involves an exchange of 3 electrons. And this would be our balanced half reactions. So now, just to get our final result, what we need to do is to multiply the first half reaction by the number of electrons exchanged on the second one, and the second reaction by the number of electrons exchanged on the first one. So our balanced reaction would be 3 of copper as a solid plus 6 protons plus 2 HNO3. Notice that the electrons are going to cancel out, 6 and 6. In this case, HNO3 in aqueous medium. Same thing with the protons in aqueous medium, which is going to produce 3 of copper 2 plus 2 of NO plus 4 water molecules. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one. Let me just add the states of matter, NO as a gas, and water corresponds to a liquid. And now with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.